Let's face it, we're all human beings, and eventually all human beings have to unclog a toilet. And this little magic device, the 3-foot household toilet auger, is what you need. $6 solution. Interested? Here we go. I realize the gross factor on this is potentially high, but I want to share something with you that I wish I would have found years ago. And plungers don't always do the job. So I found this today for $6. It's a 3-foot long toilet auger. Okay, and the great thing about this is it has this little hook on here so that when you insert it into the toilet, you're protecting it. For demonstration purposes, I don't have a clogged toilet. I don't want to gross anybody out. So you just put it in here like this, you push it down, and then that protects your porcelain. Run it in here like that, and just move it up and down. Eventually get it all the way through, and then you've got this little handle to turn it. Then when you're done, you pull it out, lay it to the side, and voila, an unclogged toilet. It's a little bit of technology magic. Since you're dealing with biological functions, you want to make sure that you dry this off after use and store it in a dry place. When I saw this in the store, I smiled because I realized how much time it was going to save me. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe below. And trust me, I'm not going to gross you out every time, but this was such a revelation for me. $6. It solved a problem that took me an hour last night in about 2 minutes. Can you imagine how much of your life you're going to get back with this tool? And stay tuned for more builds and videos, home improvements coming soon.